Aloha, my friends. This is Billy Wiggly, and what you're barely making out in the distance is the island of Niihau, Kauai, also known as the Forbidden Island. And there's a lot of places in the world where I would like to go to, just like there's a lot of cells and tables and different areas of my Excel worksheet and workbook that I want to go to. And when I want to do that, the keyboard shortcut is CTRL+G. When you press the CTRL+G, the go-to dialog box appears, and then you can select where you want to navigate to or simply enter the location that you want to go to. You might want to check out the go-to special and see the nice features that are inside of that dialog box. But wouldn't it be cool if in real life we had a CTRL+G that would open up a go-to dialog box for us and we could say, let's go to the island of Niihau, the Forbidden Island. Remember, my friends, don't get mad, get skills. Aloha.